Hi everyone, Sean Wassell here. Have you ever found yourself wondering, how do I add email verification flow to a full stack application? Well, if you've ever found yourself wondering that, then you're in the right place because that's what we're going to be taking a look at here today. More specifically, what we're going to be doing is adding an email verification flow to our note sharing application. And what this will do is prevent users from signing up with email addresses that they don't own. So this is kind of an interesting process because there's so many different ways to do it, and that's one of the things we're going to be talking about as well. Okay, and we're also going to see how to add something called SendGrid to our backend, which will allow us to send emails from Node.js to real live email addresses, which is going to be pretty cool. So that's our basic plan of attack. Let's jump right in.